So in order to create a table, this is the syntax that we have. First, we have to type create table, and then what would be the table name. We have to type the table name, and then comes what column that we are going to add, and what is the data type. Data type is nothing but, is it like an integer, like with all numbers? Is it a varchar where we add different characters, like what type of database it is? Is it like a floating, it is a decimal digit, or is it a date? Is it a time? Likewise, we have different data types, so we have to specify the data type. So if we are adding 5 columns, we have to give 5 columns name and add the data type as well, and at the end we have to finish it off with a semicolon. So now let's create a new database. So first I'll type, create a new table. So first I'll type create table, and next comes the table name. So now we can put like client, just client. Okay, our table name is going to be client, and then I'll open the bracket, and here I'm going to add all the columns that I'm going to have. First would be client ID. Okay, so one more thing, I cannot add like client ID. Okay, this will be inaccurate. So here you can see, right, ID is not valid at this position. Likewise it is. So always we have to make sure to add underscore. Okay, so client underscore ID. And next, what would be the data type for this? This is int data type, because client ID will be numeric. So I'm putting it as integer. And also I want to make this as the primary key. Primary key is a unique key which would be used to identify each and every single row. Okay, it is unique to each and every row that we are creating. So I'm making client ID as the primary key. Next to that, I want the name of the customer. So client name. Okay, that is the second column name. For that, I will add, it would be in numeric or it would be in alphabet. So I will keep as varchar, and then it could be like 200 characters length. So I'll put 200. And then comes, I also want to add the date in which they have joined. Enrolled date. Enrolled date is the third column name. And for this, the data type would be obviously date, because it is a date, correct? And then I also want to know which country they are. Okay, that is the second column name. For that, I will add, it would be in numeric or it would be in alphabet. So I will keep as varchar, and then it could be like 200 characters length. So I'll put 200. And then comes, I also want to add the date in which they have joined from. So country would be the fourth column. And for that, again, I will add varchar 10 digits. If I want, I can keep adding number of columns. For now, for our demo purpose, this 4 column is enough. So I will close the bracket at the end, and I'll add the semicolon. Okay. So now can you see, I'll refresh it as well. So now there is no table under our database. There is no table. Okay. So now I'll run this command. So it has successfully created our client table. So now if I refresh it, can you see client table is getting reflected? See, client has successfully been added. Now we have successfully created the